Hey guys, it's Gina from WTI. I'm so excited to introduce you to my Scoby Brunelda and her new best friends, these swing top glass bottles from Hemlock Home Brewing. If you're a kombucha brewer like I am, then you know how important it is to have high quality glass bottles because you don't want the dreaded bucha bomb happening. These babies can handle up to 58 psi, so you can brew with complete confidence and peace of mind knowing that they are not going to be exploding in your kitchen. Now, I've been brewing kombucha for several years, and I've never stepped up my game to get some swing top glass bottles like this. So I am really excited to see how great these glass bottles carbonate the kombucha. The other thing that's great about these stainless steel tops, I know they're not going to be rusting on me, and the seals are wonderful. They're super tight to keep all that nice carbonation inside. Hemlock Home Brewing Company is so sweet. They sent extra goodies with the 6 bottles, like this collapsible funnel that was perfect for adding in the fruit puree to my kombucha blend. And I love that I could just squeeze it to get the fruit to go into the bottle because, you know, the opening is a bit small. So having it be collapsible was perfect. They also sent extra seals with the bottles. They really thought of everything. Okay, moment of truth. Woo! Did you hear that? Nice. Look at all that carbonation. Yes. Woo! This is seriously the best brew I have ever made. I'm so stoked on these Hemlock Home Brewing bottles. You definitely need to get yourself a set. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.